Welcome to another edition of Tuesday Tent Talk. Hi, I'm Brian with Fred's Tents. Today we're going to talk about the flange and our flag poles, along with the flags. The flange would come automatically with a pole tent purchase, but the flag is an add-on accessory which gives everything so much more beauty and character. So let's get started. The tents are beautiful by themselves, but when you're able to take and add an accessory as simple as a flag, look at the elegance, how much it more creates the atmosphere, just the beauty with a little bit of wind. So let's get started. How do we do this? You take our flange, which is basically a galvanized pipe with two threaded rings. You take those, insert through your top metal plate, take your other end or your mid, depending on how you're installing what size. You take then and put the flange, screw it on, and when you're screwing it on, just snug it. You don't want to over tighten because it becomes hard to release. Once you've done that, take your flag, unscrew the nut from the top, remove the PVC and the flag, but make sure you pick up all the parts and pieces if you happen to drop it. Next, take the flagpole, insert it into the flange from the bottom up. Be sure and pull the flagpole all the way up, meeting the bottom of the plate. Take then the PVC pipe with the flag adhered, slide it onto the flagpole through the little hole, put the nut back on, take and screw it down, finger tighten it. If you have a tool, you're welcome to do that as well. Make sure this step you do, pull out your flag. Sometimes you'll get it done and then unfortunately you'll look up, maybe you've left your wrap on, maybe it's still tied. Always make sure you take and open up the flag, allowing it to be able to flow freely. Then pull the top, lay it down. Next, lace your tops together. Then very carefully insert your center pole into your tent top. Make sure you're doing it carefully because you don't want it to catch on the fabric. Continue to raise your center poles. Once you have it all in place, you're going to tighten your tent and then look at the elegance and the beauty that you've just done with, again, adding that simple touch of a flag. Beautiful, waving in the sky. And at night, it gives off a beautiful glow. And that's how you install the flange as well as the flagpole and the flag. Hope you guys got a little bit out of that. Let us know if you've got any topics. Email us here at ttt@wemaketents.com. I'm Brian for Fred's Tents. Have a great day.